Hi everyone and welcome back again. In the previous video we have explained how to add columns and rows, and we have created something like this here. Now I need just to continue. We have another things which is expanded and flexible, and it's really very important. For example, here in the row, as you can see in the row we have two containers, but you can see here the first container and second container uh, don't take all the space. So here, like a space here, there's nothing here, just a space. So we need them to take the space, to all entire space, any available space. So here you can use the expanded. Actually in Android Studio it's very simple to add any other widget. Of course you can just see container, cut the container like this, and add the widget expanded, just a widget, have one child, and inside it I can just add my container, something like that. Or another way, simpler, we already have the container, we can just double click on any widget you want and then go here to the wrap with widget, and you can add the name of the widget. So here expanded, that's it. Now to wrap with the expanded, and here same thing, I can just double click. Here if it doesn't work, you need just to write something and delete it, and then double click here, and you can see here wrap with widget, and I will choose expanded in this way. Now you can see if we just run this, you can see the result. So the two widgets here just take entire space, any available space in this way. I can change that. Yes, of course I can change that. So we have here inside expanded, we have flex here. A flex is like a 10. I mean the all value is a 10. So if I add 10 here, so this one, the first one, will take entire space. So if I just say like this, so it's take entire space. So I can just divide the space between them. So I have two. I can say, for example, 5 here, and here flex also 5. So 5 by 5, and it will work in this way. Now just each one has a half, or each one take a half space. Or for example, I need this one take more space. For example, here I can add 7 and here 3. So the addition will be 10. So now we can see that. Now this one has 7 and this one has only 3. We have another thing which is flexible. Actually there is not a big difference between expanded and the flexible, but in the expanded it's just try to take entire space, available space. Flexible, not like this. I'll show you how. So for example, flexible here, and here, sorry, here also flexible, like this. Now if we make it like this and just run, as you can see, this takes 7 and this takes 3, but not entire space. Just add some space here. It depends on the width. So here 150. For example, I can make it 200 here, and here also 200. So now it will take more space. Something like that, but not entire space, like expanded. Expanded, any space, try to use the full space, full available space. Same thing here, of course, we can add it here with this. So here the container, I can just double click for the column, and I can add here like expanded, and here also I can add like this. So now it will take entire space, as you can see, all the space, and I can change that, of course. So here, for example, I can add just a flex here, and the first one I can make a 7 also, and the second one I can add a flex 3. So now the first one will take the more space, as you can see, more space, take it here. So it's perfect way to create your layout or design your layout or screen using column, row, expanded and flexible. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.